If you've been watching my channel, you know I love special UI libraries, and this one is the most amazing so far. They are specialized in animations, and check out how cool are these components. So these are just like some random components that I'm picking. Look at this gradient text and also this falling text. When my mouse is over, it just falls like this. I mean, I've never seen this before, except like in some kind of game or something like that. This is really looking awesome. Also this shiny button and shiny text. This is something that you can really use on your projects. It's not just like some random animation that doesn't go anywhere on your website. Look at this splash cursor. It looks so smooth and awesome. I mean, I know this is not something that you put like on some professional website. There are a bunch of like cursor, following cursor animation components like this with an image. Then we have this pixel trail. This one also looks nice, and the ribbons. These are new, so they're putting a bunch of new components. I discovered them maybe 1 or 2 weeks ago, and already I saw there are 3 or 4 new components. They have also really awesome galleries. Check out this one, for example. You can drag and drop your photos behind the other photos, so this one is really looking nice. Then we have this circular gallery where I'm holding my mouse and I'm going through the images. This is really useful on websites to make it stand out, to make it look good. So this really looks awesome. Then we have, for example, these flying posters. So I'm scrolling my mouse down and we have images going like papers, doing these 3D animations. It really looks nice. The usage is really easy. You just go to code here, and if you use ShadCN, you're going to know how to use this one also. So we are basically just taking this entire shiny text component, we are copy pasting it inside of our components directory. We need CSS in order for it to work, and then we can just use it like this, import from our component and use it inside of our project. Easy as that. For more complicated components like this orb here, which I gotta put somewhere on some website, you can just install all the dependencies that are needed, and components are much bigger. Here you can see that we have a bunch of functions that are used for all the like animations and everything that is going on inside of this component, and you just copy paste again this entire thing with a couple of dependencies if needed, and it's going to work on your website. Tell me in the comments below, what do you think about this library and what would you like to see me build with it on some of my projects. I'm definitely going to put that orb on my OrcDev website, that's for sure. For more content like this, subscribe.